doing some clean out the fridge. He's a troll because he keeps coming into my stream. My mum will be dead in 6 years coming January. I must get her name in the paper for her anniversary and that. And not yet, but I'll do it a couple of weeks. Put her name in the paper. Now, that's better now. No, I wouldn't, not into that. Maybe part-time shop work. Oh, I know. I did it before with him, and I got the freezer and them all mixed up, and I had a terrible time to get the know which is which. I'm doing it separate this way. Can you understand me? Maybe I talk too fast. Sometimes I do. What do you sound like? With my Irish accent, I don't think you'd know what I was saying. No, I don't have a Scottish twang at all. No, Irish. The Irish and Scots like each other. The Scots don't like the English. Things to do with the war, and that's why they don't. Yeah, the Scottish and English don't get on. All my frozen food now to do. They're coloured. I think he's a gay couple. They're gay, I think. Oh, he's hairy. It's all frozen yet. Right, I have a scraper, but it's in the fire. And the sitting room, hold on. You know, leave that one. Yeah, it is, Daddy.
Can you take it out now?
I'm not. That's where that one goes.
Can you take it out?
Yeah, I'm not going to touch it because that one.
Because it's that tight at the moment.
Yeah.
Right, that one goes there.
Yeah. And you broke something now.
That one will not go there.
I'll have to leave it for a while. It's okay, Daddy. I'm not gonna.
You take out over. That's not right here.
Watch that glass, Daddy. Jesus, there's glass on the floor.
Well, I'm not walking on it, am I?
Well, yeah, just leave him there, Daddy. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna bother with that. Right, let it lie there. I'm not gonna bother.